Welcome to Simple Step Tutorials. In today's quick and clear guide, I'll show you how to use freeze panes in Microsoft Excel. This feature keeps your headers or labels visible while scrolling through large spreadsheets, and it only takes a few seconds to set up. Step 1. Open your Excel file. Make sure your spreadsheet is open. Step 2. Identify what you want to freeze. If you want to freeze the top row or the first column, Excel has a shortcut for that. But you can also freeze multiple rows or columns together. Step 3. Go to the View tab. On the ribbon at the top of your screen, click on the View tab. Here, you'll see the Freeze Panes button in the window group. Step 4. Choose your option. Click the Freeze Panes drop-down. You'll see 3 options: Freeze Panes, Custom Rows, Columns, Freeze Top Row, Freeze First Column. Choose the one that fits your needs. Tip: to freeze both rows and columns, click on a cell below the row and right of the column you want to lock before selecting Freeze Panes. Step 5. Test it. Scroll down or sideways. Your frozen rows or columns should now stay visible. If it didn't work as expected, double-check the location of your active cell before freezing. Step 6. Unfreeze if needed. To undo, just go back to the same Freeze Panes drop-down and choose Unfreeze Panes. And that's it. You've just learned how to freeze panes in Excel like a pro. This small feature can make a huge difference in how you read and analyze data. Like this video if it helped. Subscribe to Simple Step Tutorials for easy how-tos every week. Turn on notifications so you never miss